Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to add font to Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started the video. Start by finding and downloading the fonts you want to add. There are various websites where you can download free fonts. Personally, I use these websites to download fonts. After downloading, install the fonts on your computer. To install fonts on Windows, right-click on it, then select Install for all users. After installing the fonts, close and reopen Adobe Illustrator to refresh the font list. Your newly installed fonts should now be available in the Text Tools Font Selection drop-down. To access the added fonts, click on the Text tool. And now scroll down to find your add font. There it is. And that's how you add fonts to Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.